The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, and making money online has never been easier. With a little creativity, there are countless ways to turn your skills, passions, and interests into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business. From freelancing to starting a blog, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 creative ways to make money online. Freelancing: offer your skills and services to clients around the world through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Starting a blog: monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Selling digital products: create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, and printables on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Affiliate marketing: partner with companies to promote their products and earn a commission for each sale. Dropshipping: start an e-commerce business by selling products without having to hold any inventory. Online tutoring: share your expertise and make money by teaching others through platforms like VIPKid and Chegg. Selling on Etsy: turn your creativity into a business by selling handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies on Etsy. Stock photography: make money by selling your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock and iStock. Online surveys: share your opinions and earn money by taking online surveys through websites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. Influencer marketing: partner with brands to promote their products and services on your social media channels. Making money online is easier than ever before, and with a little creativity, the opportunities are endless. Whether you're a creative person with a passion for handmade goods or a knowledgeable individual with expertise in a certain field, there's a way to turn your skills and interests into a profitable venture. So why not give one of these 10 creative ways to make money online a try today?